Did you know 90% of the managers reject designers just based on the portfolio? You know why? Your portfolio is a ticket to get your job, to land your job. Your portfolio is something that will market you, that will promote you, that will tell your quality, that will tell you how you work, that will tell you how do you communicate with the clients, how do you solve problems. So I am going to show you exactly how to build your portfolio, how to improve it, and what things to do and what things not to do. Just keep watching. So, first thing first, who are you building it for? Like, are you a freelancer? Are you building it to find full-time jobs or trying to attract hiring managers? Or you are trying to find clients and trying to impress them? You need to get your foundations clear, steady, and very concise. Like, it should be in the face that you are this person and you do this. There's no in between that you do this and this and this. Be a survival of the fittest, be specialized, not the generalist. Whether you are choosing a platform, it never matters. You are promoting your portfolio on Dribble, Behance, Contra, maybe on other platforms, or you have on your own website or Wix or anything, any platform that you chose. Be Make it easy to navigate all over the space. Let the clients find what they are looking for. They find very easily. They do not have to dig into it because they don't have time. When you are, whether you're a freelancer needs to put the projects, like you work with travel agencies, so you need to target that market. But if you are a full-time, you are looking for a full-time job, you need to make your portfolio versatile. At the same time, you don't need to overcomplicate things. You just tell them how, why, and what did you do. Your portfolio is your brand, is your personal brand. So you need to find your colors, you need to find your style, put it on that portfolio, make it consistent so it stay strong. If you are just a graphic designer or a video editor, you're not a web designer, so you should hire or you should consult with web designers and developers so you can create it. If you want to build a portfolio on Behance and Dribble, then you don't have to, but you need to be very clear and very consistent with the theme that you are following because you are a brand. If you are a logo or branding designer, your portfolio is the testament of your work. Put the best of the best killer projects on that portfolio. Quantity doesn't matter, quality matters, as quality beats quantity every freaking single time. All right. So, what you need to do, find your best work. And even though you haven't done much on those, like if you have made a logo that is really good, but the client just wanted a logo and brand identity, but maybe you know that client needs the packaging, the other stuffs, the brochures, anything, a website. So what you do is you extend your portfolio, you extend your project just for your personal use and put it on there. If you want to attract that audience, you want to grab their attentions, that you can do this and you have this extensive experience to build different systems, build different kind of designs, and you are really good at it. Remember, your portfolio is not a museum. It's a highlight reel like an Instagram. You put your best out there. Now, this is the third tip, and this is one of the most important tip that I think it could ever be. Honestly, I don't think so. I haven't followed that much this, but I am trying to get into this as well because I myself as a designer and I know this struggles me out that how do I create it? I'm talking about documenting the process. How do you do? What do you do? How do you get the results? What is your creative process? And what pen do you have? What diary? How do you sketch? What's the process? What the thought behind that project? How do you work environment? There is a lot of stuffs that everybody have different, and maybe you are similar, but you have your own style, right? So you have to find your own way to find the best of your process. and refine it and put it out there, because that's important. It could be sketches, it could be mood board, it could be visual, some inspirations. How do you get inspirations? Your problem solving skills, that how did you find that? How did you come up with this solution? Maybe you don't remember, you just jog your memory and find out, okay, so this was the problem, and this was, I was thinking, I was walking, I was trying to figure it out, I was stressed out, but while I was playing game, I found out this could be done this way. So you just write it down there and put it out there. Clients love it, you got a good feedback from client customers, and this is how you done it. You can do a lot of stuff with this, and I'm trying to document my own process as well, because this is something very important when client doesn't know. Because when you try to, put yourself out there, they want to know you more rather than your work. Like, it's important, it's extremely important, but when people know you personally, they're not hiring just a designer, they're hiring a person that is behind the screen, right? As I said, that brand, you are your own unique brand. So you need to show who you are, where you live, how do you live. Like, I mean, like, you live, maybe I live in Karachi, Pakistan, but I try to, engage with different kind of people out there internationally, and they work with me just because they know me, just because they know myself, they know how I work. I have worked with US clients, Europe clients, UK, everywhere, even in Saudi, Dubai, and Gulf countries, so how did this happen? Because they know me personally, not just because of my work. They get to know my work later, but they get to know me first. So you need to show yourself that who you are, what you do, what are you good at. You play football, do you play table tennis, you play foosball, you like to watch movies, you like to travel, whatever it is. People need to connect. When people connect, similar mind synergy is there. If you are a new designer, this might be hard for you, but if you are a experienced designer, or you have an experience of year or two, must have some testimonials. So include them into your portfolio, because that's what make clients convert. They, for example, you have put your story, you have put your work, you put yourself out there. Now they're convinced, but they're not sure that they do not 100% sure right now that whether they should buy from you or not, because you are new for them right now. But what makes them convert these two things, like your good offer and your testimonials, that people has, you know, testified that this is the person that I have worked with and it's great. Put some good Trustpilot links, or maybe Google reviews or something, whatever you have. um, Put it out there, because that's what make people think, okay, so I can trust this person, because previously there have been people that have been they have given you a good response and giving you a good review. All right, I think that's it for the video, because I try to keep it short and strong, so you can build your portfolio. And these are all the steps. If you do it right, you'll get the job, you'll get the client, you get the, whatever you're looking for, because people like to connect with you. If you want, there is a checklist that I've made for you to, check if you have done perfectly your portfolio. I have made a checklist. Please use the link down below and get the benefit. So meet me in the next one. Do you know my name? So goodbye and take care. I'll see you in the next one.